Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about find and replace using Excel. So we'll be using these data sets for our practice. So to do find and replace, you go to this search, this thing that look like cycle, you click on it, you see find there. So you can input any value you want to find. So let us find the name of the country, which is USA. You click on find next, it show you the rows that's having USA. You also click on find next again, it will show you the row that's having USA. You also click on find next again, it will show you the rows that's having USA. So that is the way to do find in Excel. Or you click outside the table, you press Ctrl F. Then you see to bring out this option for you. Then you can press your find next, it will also give you the same thing. So that is the way to do find in Excel. So let us work on replacement now. So to do replacement in Excel, you press Ctrl F. Then maybe you want to replace our USA to Nigeria. So you follow up, input the value here, then press your replace. So let's replace USA to Nigeria. So once you write it there, you now press replace all. You can see now there are 95 value replacement has been done. So you can see there's no more USA here again, it has changed to Nigeria. You can see we're having Nigeria here now. So let us do another example. You can also highlight the column, then press Ctrl F. Then input the value you want to find and replace. So let us replace small. Let us replace small with smallest. Then you press replace all. You can see. So this is the way to do find and replace in Excel. So this is the data set that we use for practice. So if you love what I've done so far, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you so much. The data set will be in the description for you to practice. Thank you.